èmi Ṣeun Ọlágúnjú oníròyìn tó mòye ẹ máa wo Bisi Ológe show.
Well, my pastor.
Yeah.
He was my friend.
He was your friend.
He's a good man.
How did you deal with the negative vibes?
Well, I just knew that it would be a phase, and it will come and pass.
It will come and pass.
I was just fully convinced about my conviction that the only way to go now is God's way.
The only way to go is God's way.
Basically.
Okay.
So, regardless of what was going on around me, I kept my focus. And I knew that God will turn everything around for my good.
I love that.
Now my question would be, how did you pay your bills then?
Well, you see, God works in mysterious ways.
That's right.
So, as I decided to just use my gift and talent for Him,
yes.
I mean, church was amazing. I mean, after service, people would just walk up to you and just, oh my goodness, you guys blessed me today.
Wow.
The praise and worship was awesome. The choir. Yeah. And we've just decided to bless you back.
Oh.
And there is
Just
an envelope.
that?
Oh,
Just
yes.
that?
God was just in charge.
But wait, Minister Sammie, did you get back into church and just join the choir immediately?
I was the choir. It was a new church.
Oh.
House on the Rock.
Yeah.
And they needed the music team to start. And
you
I
became
started
the
in
leader?
church. Yeah, I had everything
Nice.
that was necessary to be a music director.
Okay.
So I started the music team, so to speak.
Okay.
And and then guess what? My guys who used to play jazz with
in
me,
the club,
they said, you know what? We don't have any gig anymore. So we might as well
join you.
Just join you.
Oh wow.
So they came and left everything.
Did that shock you?
I was shocked.
Okay.
Yeah, because I was like, that was my personal decision. I didn't expect you guys to follow me. But they came, and these were very good musicians. Yes, skillful already.
Okay.
So that was how House on the Rock started, with great music.
Jazz,
but now it was all for Jesus.
Wow. But I gotta ask you, Minister Sammie, how easy is it for a church today to accommodate people from the outside who've been out there for too long? Is the church playing games? Is the church being too high and mighty? What would you advise the church today?
A lot of things have changed, especially in Nigeria.
Yeah.
Because there was a spirit of condemnation that was hovering around in the past, where they just felt because you had lived a certain life, you were exposed to a certain atmosphere, you are not qualified to be in church. And they forgot that Jesus came to preach the message of redemption. Where he said, in fact, you church folks, you are not the reason why I'm here. I came here to look for the lost guys and bring them in.
Yes.
So the understanding at that time was different. But it has changed, especially, that's why I keep mentioning my pastor. He came with a different message. He came with the message of, listen, I know you are going through stuff. I know you are doing some stuff you shouldn't be doing.
Correct.
But my job is to show you the alternative.
Yes.
Because sometimes when the preferable is not available, the available becomes preferable.
That's right.
Say that one more time.
Sometimes when the preferable is not available, the available becomes preferable.
Is that where we make our mistakes?
Exactly.
Were there skeptics? Were there people who try to remind you of your
past? Yes, they will always be there.
How did you deal with them? How should we deal with them?
In fact, those guys, let me tell you something.
Who do we hurt?
Those guys are there because they are going to be part of the success story. Because at some point they will eat their words and they will say, wow, I never thought. Because you don't need those people to go away. You don't need them to die.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, when we
really?
were younger and uninformed, we used to pray, let everybody who doesn't like me die. No.
By power.
Fire, let them disappear. No. But we are more informed now.
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
we need them to be alive to see what God can do. When you said it wasn't possible, God said, listen, I'm in charge. And I'm in the process of working with this guy to where I need to get him to. So I need you to see what the power and the grace of God is capable of. So they need to be there, because a lot of them are even going to come to the altar and say, God, I'm sorry.
Right.
I thought I knew this guy. I had finished the story.
Right.
But how can you finish a story
Right.
that you didn't write?
How can you finish a story you didn't write?
You didn't write. So for me, they were there. They are still there. Some of them are still in a place of wow.
Yeah.
Some of them love God so much now, and they just feel, listen, I thought I knew if God can do this with him,
God can do it with me.
With me. And I need them to stay. So don't pray for your enemies to die, people.
No.
Pray for God to keep them alive long enough
Yes.
to see what he.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.